Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to Elegant Legacy. Today I'm revealing the closely guarded truth about luxury handbags that wealthy women obsess over in 2025. These aren't obvious status symbols flaunted by influencers, but discerning investments that truly powerful women collect privately, bags that signal membership in an exclusive circle of sophistication. By the end of this countdown, you'll possess insider knowledge that separates the genuinely affluent from those merely pretending. This information isn't shared in fashion magazines or typical luxury guides. Let's unveil these coveted treasures. Bag number 11. The Bottega. Veneta Andiamo. While fashion tourists chase logo-plastered accessories, women of genuine wealth gravitate toward this understated masterpiece. Its architectural structure and signature intrecciato weaving communicate wealth through craftsmanship rather than obvious branding. In 2025, the Andiamo in dark burgundy leather represents the ultimate power move, a silent signal of membership in a financial echelon where logos are unnecessary proof. This isn't a purchase, it's admission to a private language of luxury. Bag number 10. The Hermes Victoria II. Lesser-informed luxury consumers fixate on the Birkin, creating year-long waitlists. Meanwhile, truly sophisticated women quietly collect the Victoria II, the understated sister with superior functionality and equally impeccable craftsmanship. This bag represents multi-generational wealth through its deliberately restrained aesthetic. Its clean lines and perfectly proportioned structure reflect old money's aversion to ostentation. In exclusive circles, the Victoria instantly announces financial permanence rather than fleeting prosperity. Bag number 9. The Loro Piana Cessia bag. This extraordinary investment remains unknown to most luxury consumers, which is precisely its appeal to the genuinely affluent. At twice the price of entry-level designer bags, it represents the intersection of intellectual and financial capital. Unlike mass luxury brands, Loro Piana speaks to those who value exquisite craftsmanship over recognizability. The Cessia in creamy beige cashmere leather demonstrates both exceptional taste and financial independence, acquired as a personal standard of excellence. Bag number 8. The Valextra Iside bag. This geometrically perfect Italian masterpiece serves as immediate evidence of cultural sophistication and financial discernment. Its modernist design and architectural precision appeal to women who collect art, not merely accessories. The distinctive V-shaped closure and precise proportions indicate an owner who values intellectual substance. The bag's controlled minimalism reflects a mind that appreciates complexity beneath apparent simplicity. Each bag receives a unique serial number, reinforcing exclusivity among cultural connoisseurs. Baggie number 7. The Delvaux Brillant. This Belgian royal warrant holder predates all major luxury houses yet remains deliberately undermarketed. The Brillant's distinctive architecture and perfect proportions make it the ultimate stealth wealth signifier. Its precise structure and iconic buckle detail reflect both authority and restraint, qualities cultivated by women who exercise real influence rather than merely seeking attention. In black or navy structured leather, it communicates executive presence without obvious status symbols. The Brillant serves as the perfect boardroom companion, whispering rather than shouting its owner's financial position. Bag number 6. The Mark Cross. Grace Box. This architectural masterpiece carries historical significance that status seekers remain oblivious to. Its structured silhouette has remained unchanged since Grace Kelly carried it in Rear Window, a cultural reference point recognized only by the genuinely sophisticated. The red box calf leather version serves as a deliberately subtle power statement, communicating both cultural literacy and financial independence. Its heritage value increases annually, making it an investment rather than a purchase. Mark Cross produces limited quantities, ensuring you won't encounter duplicates at gatherings. Bag number 5. The Moynat Réjane. While fashion followers chase the latest trends, women with generational wealth invest in this extraordinary French masterpiece. Moynat, established in 1849, maintains deliberate exclusivity by limiting production and retail presence. The Réjane's distinctive M-shaped closure and perfectly balanced proportions represent the highest level of artisanal excellence. The taupe leather version with palladium hardware serves as a subtle indicator of membership in an exclusive circle where quality supersedes recognition. This isn't merely a bag, it's an heirloom destined for generational transmission. Bag number 4. The Fendi Peekaboo ISeeU East-West. This architectural statement represents the strategic intersection of recognition and exclusivity. While mainstream, luxury consumers fixate on Fendi's more accessible models, women of influence invest in this deliberately understated masterpiece. Its geometric precision and perfect proportions communicate executive presence and mathematical thinking. In dove gray leather with palladium hardware, it projects power without obvious status signaling. The hidden interior compartments reflect the multidimensional thinking of truly successful women. This isn't merely an accessory. It's visual evidence of a woman who commands respect across contexts. Bag number. The Metier London Roma. This extraordinary investment remains deliberately difficult to acquire, ensuring exclusivity among even the most affluent circles. The Roma's structured silhouette and perfect hardware-to-leather ratio reflect the precision thinking of women, who build wealth rather than merely displaying it. Each bag is numbered and registered, creating provenance that appreciates over time. In Marrakech tan leather, it serves as a calculated power move, immediately recognized by equals while remaining anonymous to aspirational consumers. Bag number. The Gabriela Hearst Nina. This extraordinary architectural statement has become the ultimate stealth wealth signifier. Its distinctive pouch structure and mathematical perfection communicate financial confidence through understatement, rather than obvious branding. Limited production numbers and extensive waiting lists ensure you won't encounter duplicates at important gatherings. The cognac leather version serves as a calculated investment in both aesthetic and financial terms, appreciating annually unlike trendy alternatives. The Nina represents the intersection of ethical luxury and financial power. Sculptural design references art rather than fashion, signaling cultural capital alongside financial resources. Bag number. The Row Margaux. This architectural masterpiece represents the absolute pinnacle of stealth wealth in 2025. At triple the price of logo-laden alternatives, it serves as the definitive separator between genuine affluence and aspirational consumption. Its mathematically perfect proportions and sublime leather quality communicate wealth through substance rather than symbolism. The distinctive structure creates a commanding presence without resorting to vulgar branding. In black leather, it represents the ultimate power move, a calculated demonstration of financial confidence requiring no external validation. This isn't merely a purchase. It's admission to a global financial echelon where quality supersedes recognition. These 11 investments separate genuine affluence from aspirational consumption. Each represents not merely a purchase, but strategic membership in an exclusive circle where quality supersedes recognition. Which calculated power move will you adopt first? The transformation in sophisticated circles will be immediate and profound. Visit the Elegant Legacy Luxury Concierge Service, where my team will evaluate your collection and identify strategic acquisitions aligned with your financial position. Don't miss our future videos, specifically curated for women of discernment like you. Hit subscribe to ensure you never miss our exclusive insider insights. Command the recognition you deserve.